Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer and a working shell. Install Poetry via pips or pip install user Poetry so it isolates itself. Once done, create a project with Poetry new miproj and change into the project folder. This generates piproject. TOML and a package layout. Make sure to inspect piproject. TOML now because Poetry centrally manages dependencies and metadata. Understanding that file saves time when adding packages or configuring build settings. You add dependencies with Poetry, add package name, and use dev for development-only tools. This updates piproject. TOML and lock file automatically. Poetry creates an isolated virtual environment when you run Poetry install, so your system Python stays clean. Once dependencies are installed, either enter the environment with Poetry shell or prefix commands with Poetry run Python script. Because Poetry pins versions in Poetry. Lock. Reproducibility improves, so commit both piproject, TOML and Poetry. Lock to version control. You build artifacts using Poetry build, which produces a wheel and sdist ready for distribution. This uses metadata from piproject. TOML, so confirm authorship and version first. To publish, run Poetry publish with credentials or configure a token in Poetry's config. Alternatively, use twine if needed. If something goes wrong, dependency conflicts, environment mismatch, or build errors, first run Poetry lock no update, inspect piproject. TOML for syntax issues, and remove the virtualenv to recreate it with Poetry env remove and Poetry install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.